So this is what was in the and let's put everything in place. This is the camera itself. Here I have a 32. Yep. So this is the manual, the book. So it has some specifications here. Right. So let's go overview. First, the camera itself came in the waterproof casing. It looks cool. It is sturdy. Now let's put this away. Take the bike mounting. So this is the bike mounting that I had, that I'm going to be using for the camera here. So the camera itself is pretty small, as you can see. It's so small that it can't fit in my hand. Now I'm going to put this out of the way. Okay, let's put everything in place. This is just a random plug point which is in the box. You can charge it. I have my own so that I use my own. This is used for the cover here. This is for putting this on, so that's where it is. So this is gonna be going here. These are some other clamps that I'm not sure what they're used for. So that's how he is. This is a hanging clamp or something where you use it to hang or something, I'm not sure. This is pretty cool because they give you an extra battery where you can remove the battery. Down here. So that's it. This is the box. Like it's that camera you set. These are some other extra clamps. You know what I mean? Because this is the important part where you have all of these clamps. So now you have a band strap for the video and the remote. So you put it in your hand like that, and you have this, which is pretty cool. No idea why. They've included a lot of stuff for mounting the camera. This is wiping cloth that you keep, and this is for the handband, so the straps, and they've included extra straps. So now that we're done with the camera's accessories, let's jump directly into the camera itself. So it's charging right now. So this is the camera itself. It's pretty good, solid. So that's it. Let's try putting this in. Let's unplug from the charger. It doesn't indicate anything. Let's just insert this. How do we do that? Is it okay? Wait, let's put it in. Right. Guys, it's Laashak. So just before ending the video, I wanted to say like this video because it took a lot of editing work, and feel free to subscribe to get new content, and also comment on this video about the next like content recommendations. You can also say me things to review on my next video, and feel free to follow my Instagram to know about updates on my next video. I also update thumbnails on my